Firstly, take micrometer calibration slide and place slide on the stage. We will begin by focusing the micrometer slide from the lowest power to the required or desired power. Here we are calibrating our image for 3x. Firstly, after focusing image, go to options, then calibrate. Make it 100%. In the micrometer slide, every division is 0.01. So we have 1 mm slide. From one end to the other end, we will put the scale which will give us pixel length. Here it is 589 to 590 pixels per 1 mm. So in the calibrate box, put actual length as 1 mm, magnification as 3x, and OK. Now our scale for 3x is calculated. Then open the image. Firstly, we will put a scale on it. So click scale bar. 0.5 is OK. Click on F2 or layer. Merge to image. So while exporting, we will have a scale bar on the image. Then we can also measure our insect by line tool. Click on line. Go from one end of the insect or the required sample to the other end. So this way we will measure it. Here we have a image, so it is showing pixels as a measurement. Then we will export it as a TIFF image and save it.